Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look at Roblox. This is ticker RBLX. Now, I don't know if you have young kids, but my kids love Roblox. I'm pretty sure they play it every single day, but it's been lagging the rest of the market. We see SPY really stretching here, but RBLX is kind of in this tight consolidation pattern right around a bed of moving averages. Now, I love when stocks hover around their moving averages because typically that can act like a bit of a floor. As you can see, I've drawn these trend lines here, a downward sloping trend line with lower highs and an upward sloping trend line with higher lows. And Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com calls this a pinch and pop pattern. So we want to see if this can pop out of where it's pinching between these two trend lines. And so that's what I'm looking for here on Roblox. I see some pretty clear support right around these moving averages. Now we just want to see this stock move higher out of this consolidation range and catch up to the rest of the market, which is screaming pretty loudly right now. So this is one stock that I have on my watch list, and we're trading over at StockMarketMentor.com. I think it's worth watching because even if it doesn't break out, ideally this can hover around these moving averages and give you a nice level of support right around that $40 zone. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I hope it's helpful. If you want more of this, be sure and check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. You can take a 14-day trial, super cheap. More details on the website. Catch you next time.